All right, good morning, guys. Good morning. I'm back with a couple of videos, okay? Now, first of all, like I always say, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to go buy these stocks. It's up to you, okay? Now, but these are some that I'm watching. I may get into some of these plays. I haven't got them yet because I'm just watching these, okay? I grabbed a whole bunch of stocks. I put them in a folder, and then I kind of go through them again and delete some and add some, okay? So this is one, it's just an early morning runner. I do have my eye on it. It's already up 108%. And you got to be careful on a lot of these stocks that run up pre-market. Sometimes they're just pre-market runners, and then it'll start pulling back when the market opens up, or right before the market opens up. It'll just start pulling back for whatever reason, okay? Now, but it's up quite a bit. Are you going to chase it or not? It's up to you. I want to see what it does. I want to watch it a little bit longer and see what it does, and then I'll make my decision if I want to get into it or not. It's already up quite a bit. I don't know if I'm going to get into it or not, but it's there. So that's on my list. I have another one that's on my list that I'm watching. Where is it at? I need to move this up because I have some shares in here. This is another one I have my eye on. I definitely have my eye on this one here, okay? Definitely have my eye on this one. It's right now just kind of sitting there. I want to keep a close eye on this and see where it's going to go. Let me see if they had any reverse splits. I think they did at one time. So, I mean, they have a lot of room to grow, okay? They definitely need to get back above the $5 mark so they can stay compliant, because I'm pretty sure at any day, any moment, unless they have a deadline. I'm pretty sure they have a deadline. I didn't do my research on that, but they could get delisted, okay? So keep an eye on that. Now, also keep in mind, all penny stocks, if they have this mark up here, see in the top corner right there, if you click on that, this will come up, and it'll say not meeting listing standards. So that means they have an issue with not being compliant by NASDAQ. So, and they could get delisted, or they already have a notice to be delisted by a certain date. So you have to do your research on that and find out. So I have my eye on that. I also grabbed this right here. It's up quite a bit. It had a nice run this morning, and then it pulled back. So, but I do want to keep my eye on this. This is probably like the second out of all three. This is probably on the bottom of my list to watch, but I'm definitely going to keep an eye on it. Let's see what it did a year ago. See how it had these big spikes. It came down. Watch you later. It runs down, and then it pushes up. It had a high spike up, then it runs down. And it seemed like there's a consistent area where they have these big, large spikes. So keep that in mind, okay? So I'm definitely going to watch this and see what it does. It may take off today. I don't know. This one I just added to my list. I want to see it because it's a medical science company, dermatology and plastic surgery. So I just want to watch it and see what it does. See if it's going to make a comeback and run back up to the 80-cent area, or where is it at? I was looking at a price over here. See, it's at 51. So I was hoping it may run back up to the 60 area. And if it can hold 60, it'll probably try to just run up really close to 70 or $1. Okay. So not saying it will, I just want to watch it. It's very choppy. The volume is very low on this. Another one right here, I'm watching this one. This is on my list. The volume is very low, but I want to keep my eye on that. I just added this because I seen it, and I don't think it's going to do anything, but I just added, okay? Now, Robinhood, I do want to talk about this. Guys, I remember years and years ago, about a year ago, I was telling people, and well, maybe 2 years ago, I was telling people, like, don't underestimate Robinhood, okay? Now, a lot of people don't like Robinhood because of the situation, what happened with GameStop and AMC, especially GameStop, when they stopped people from trading and all this other stuff, all this other things. There were other apps and other companies that stopped trading apps, they stop people from trading. It wasn't only Robinhood, okay? Now Robinhood, they're there for a reason. And if you don't know, Robinhood is like, I think they're the third biggest holder of Bitcoin. Okay? This is just what I researched. They're the third biggest holder of Bitcoin. They're doing some amazing things. Robinhood's going to have some amazing things coming along. If you don't like the app, then don't use it. If you do, then use it. But they are one of the apps that made it very, very convenient to trade. Now, me personally, from what I've seen, Robinhood is going to come out with a credit card. They're going to have a metal card like the Apple Card. They're going to have a 3% back on anything you purchase. Like, you guys got to dig into this, okay? Go look it up. Robinhood is going to do some amazing things soon. They already had a conference, I think it was yesterday or the day before, and some things is going to happen. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm not saying go buy the stock, but I do believe Robinhood is the stock. I think is going to start shooting up. Now, prior to their meeting, just a month ago, it was down here. Okay, guys, you see this is slowly on this dip, then up, dipped up. It's on this uptrend. 3 months ago, they're in the green. A year to date, they're in the green. They're in the green. Now, when they got right here, it had to slump off down here to the $9 area, and it's going back. It's running back up. Guys, you may want to keep an eye on this, okay? Because the more news come out about their credit cards, like Robinhood's going to have a credit card, and they're going to make it easier for everyone to get a credit card. But do your research, look up the news, and check it out. But when this thing start rolling out, and they're going to change their app. Okay? They're going to make it more easier. But go check it out, guys, okay? I don't know. I told people, like, don't underestimate Robinhood because they're there for a reason. And they're there for a reason. Because just because a handful of people say they don't like them, everybody do like them, period. Even though they have crappy charts, some people say, oh, they got crappy charts, blah, blah, blah. There are still people making a lot of money on Robinhood using their crappy charts, okay? Everyone doesn't trade the same. They trade different. But keep an eye on Robinhood. But that's it, guys. I have to go. I'm definitely going to keep my eye on Robinhood. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.